By next Monday, Indiana will have a new law that adds more restrictions to browsing adult websites. That is, unless a court takes action. State House reporter Hannah Adamson explains why that law is controversial and why the state is fighting back.
Earlier this month, Pornhub's parent company and several other adult website operators filed a preliminary injunction to stop the state's new age verification law from going into effect. Under it, you would have to provide adult websites a credit card, driver's license, or social security number to prove you're over 18.
We're expecting a decision by the end of this week, which may put the law on hold.
Chris Daly is the executive director of the ACLU of Indiana. While the group is not part of a legal battle to pause a controversial age verification law, Daly argues the law would infringe on the First Amendment rights of Hoosiers.
The Supreme Court has said again and again that this content is protected by the First Amendment, and we believe strongly that laws that are passed, even those that are supposed to benefit children in our state, need to comply with the Constitution.
Daly also says the law, while well-intentioned, has other significant flaws.
Age verification is not a great way to protect children. It only applies to a certain amount of adult content that's online, and it's easily circumnavigated by older youth, but also some younger youth who understand how computers work.
But Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita says the law protects children from the psychological consequences of watching pornography online.
Let's say it was brick and mortar. They surely wouldn't want children in an adult novelty store, would they? And if you walk into a store, a brick and mortar store, you should be able to show identification. Same difference here.
He also says the law protects confidential information by requiring adult websites to destroy data immediately after verifying a customer's age.
There are severe civil penalties that I can bring or that the individual can bring against the company for not complying.
The ACLU of Indiana anticipates an appeal will be filed regardless of the outcome. If the law is upheld, it will go into effect